Synthesis saves your project files in a folder which is found under Project Preferences. So in this case, it saves it into your users folder under the folder called Synthesis. What you can do is you can change this so that you could have it actually sync with either a Dropbox folder, or you could have it sync with some other type of online file server. So if we then go into that folder, we then first head into the users folder, and then under there's a folder marked synthesis, which actually lists your project files here. We've worked with the test1 project file, so by clicking that, what we then have is we have the papers that we have downloaded. What synthesis does is it puts all of the papers here under the format year, author, and title, so that you could just click on it and then pull it up, which means that if somebody you're working with requests the full text paper, you could send it to them. As well, Synthesis has some other folders inside here. One is the import folder. The import folder will actually list which of the files, the reference files, were imported into Synthesis. So in this case, we had imported PubMed and a second PubMed. These files will have the year and date stamp all attached. Synthesis as well will have one more folder, which is the images folder. So if you had actually chosen under tools to extract all the figures from a paper, under here it would actually just basically show all of those figures. So with this, it's a really quick way of like viewing which papers, viewing how the papers actually reported their results in a visual format. The one folder that you're not wanting to touch is the index folder, because the index folder is the one where Synthesis holds a lot of the data, and if you change anything in there, it will actually corrupt your system.